Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini AI for photo editing. First, ensure you have the Gemini app installed on your device or access it through your web browser. Next, upload the photo you wish to enhance directly into the Gemini interface. Take a moment to explore the various editing tools and initial AI-powered suggestions presented to you. This foundational step prepares your image for transformation. Once your photo is loaded, Gemini AI offers intelligent suggestions for quick enhancements. You can accept these for immediate improvements to exposure or color balance. Explore the range of AI-driven filters to instantly alter your photo's mood or artistic style. Don't hesitate to experiment with generative fill, a powerful tool for adding or removing objects with impressive accuracy. After applying initial AI enhancements, you can refine specific details using manual precision tools. Zoom in to make subtle adjustments to textures or specific objects. Always compare your edited image with the original to fully appreciate the transformations. Once satisfied, export your masterpiece in your desired format, such as JPEG or PNG, ensuring optimal quality for sharing or printing. To maximize your Gemini AI experience, always save multiple versions of your edits. This allows you to compare different approaches and select the best result. Dive into advanced features like background replacement to create truly unique and imaginative compositions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with new tools. And speaking of great finds, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.